the water grow the trees? Don't the moon pull the tide? Don't the stars light the sky? Like you need to light my life. If you need me anytime, you know I'm always right by your side. And see, I never felt this love. You're the only thing that's on my mind. You don't understand how much you really mean to me. I need you in my life, you're my necessity, yeah. But believe me, you're everything that just makes my world complete. And my love is clear, the only thing that I'll ever see. You're all I ever need. Baby, you're amazing. You're my angel, come and save me.
Happy anniversary, Ives and Angeline. May God bless you.
Hi, V and happy anniversary. Sayid ko nga, do long distance relationship ay bukon it madali pero kayang-kaya ninyo doon. Kunta sa sunod pa ninyo nga mga anniversary say magkaibahan yung kamong daywa. Happy anniversary kinyo. See you.
Hi, Ninang Ivy, Tita Ange. Eto, kumakain kami ng apple. Bibi Ellie, say happy anniversary kay Ninang Ivy tsaka kay Tita Ange. We know that mahirap yung long distance relationship. Just be strong as put God as the center of your life. We love you both at nahulog ang apple ni baby. Umiyak siya. Sige, bye-bye, bye-bye. Mawin na kayo. Bye-bye. Be safe always, Ange.
Hi, Ive and Ange. Happy anniversary. I love you both. God bless.
Happy anniversary, Tita Ivy and Tita Angie. Happy anniversary, Tita Angie, Tita Ivy.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Spread the love.
Spread the love.
Love, love, love.
Love, love, love.
From Juneau, Alaska with love.
Let's stay with love.
Good night,
Good
Mama.
night. Good night, Mama.
Hi Ange, hi V, happy anniversary. Pasensya po kung kibahan si Alex sa Hinagainarte. Message ko para kinyo. Hopefully magbuhay pagid kamo. Of course, stay strong gid, especially makaron nga nasa long distance relationship kamo. Kabay pa nga maging happy kamo, forever happy, magbuhay pag gidro inyong relationship. Sayod ko nga palangga inyo gidro tag sa isa-isa. Kaya gapati gid ako nga magabuhay kamo. Agkabay pa until forever. Magpalanggaanay lang pero may magintindihanay. Of course, trust, especially trust kay makanyang mga yuan. Happy anniversary, man. I love you both. Bye-bye.
Hello. Bago ako matulog, I just wanna greet si Pare Koy at si Angeline. Happy anniversary kina dalawa. Angeline, sobrang kaging palangga ni Pare Koy. I know, sobrang mo palangga. And you guys both deserve each other. Kanta, magpadayon ba ka mo? Bye.
Hi Ange! Sayran mo sa kasako ko sang nga istanan ko ang halipatan do akon nga ng assignment kay Ivy. Pero would you believe habang gaboto ako, biglat ang sumagi sa ako nga isip. Mag-greet ko no ako happy 5th anniversary! Hi, paano? Nag-agyon do mga gingkasal, do mga nagdagabdos, agro mga nag-unga, hay kamo man gihapon. Basi kamo tara may forever. Well, we wish you all the best sa inyo ni Ivy. Tsaga-tsaga gang para sa gold. Happy anniversary, Oman!